How to turn off or on gift card scanning permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and then click these three lines here and click settings. And here we'll find permissions. And now just wait. And now scroll down, and as you see here we'll find gift card scanning. You can turn it on or off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.